In the introduction of Algebra 2, you guys will probably be asked to evaluate algebraic expressions. And what does that actually mean, or what is an expression? Well, the easiest way to understand that is an expression is something that does not have an equal sign. So if we just looked, let's cover that up and let's just look at 4x squared plus 5. That would be represented as an expression because it does not say 4x squared plus 5 equals something. Let me give you an example. I'm going to go ahead and write 4x squared plus 5 here, and I'll write 4x squared plus 5 equals 20. The difference here, this is represented as an expression because there's no equal sign. It's not equaling anything. And this is represented as an equation because there's an equal sign. So it's saying 4x squared plus 5 equals 20. So here you solve, and here you would evaluate if you're given what the variable equals. And in this case, we can see that 4x squared plus 5, we want to evaluate that when x equals 2. So all that really means is it's saying, tell us what that will be when we plug 2 in for x. So my first step that I always do here is I just write this. I will write the 4. And now when we're evaluating it, when it's saying 4x squared plus 5 when x equals 2, it will say evaluate the given expression. You want to go ahead and pull that x out. And what I do is I pull it out, and instead of putting the x there, I'm going to put parentheses right there. Then I'll keep everything the same. I'll keep that squared, and that will be plus 5. And now it's saying evaluate that when x equals 2. So basically, all you want to do is substitute 2 in for x. So I'm going to go ahead and write a 2 in red there so you can see that. So now if we know our order of operations, the first step we want to do here is we want to do our exponents. So that will be 4, and then 2 squared would be 4, so I'm going to keep that in parentheses because that will represent multiplication here, plus 5. Great. Now our next step would be to multiply, so that would be 16 plus 5, and then we know 16 plus 5 would equal 21. So 21 would be our answer when we evaluated this expression.